Hi, good morning, Cougars. Today we're starting in lesson 2 of rewards. We're going to start off with activity A, oral activity, blending word parts into words. Listen, I'm going to say the parts of a word. You are going to say the whole word. Reconstruct. What word? Reconstruct. I'll say the parts, you say the word. Optimism. What word? Optimism. Decoration. What word? Decoration. Incapable. Incapable. Contaminate. What word? Contaminate. Now let's look at activity B, vowel combinations. Look at the letters AU. These two vowels get together and say the sound ah. Say the sound again. What sound? Ah. Now let's look at line 1. What sound? Ah. A. A. Ah. A. Ah. A. Ah. Look at activity C. When you are reading words and see these letters, try to say the sound. If it doesn't make a real word, then try the name of the letter. Ah. What sound? Ah. What name? A. What sound? A. What name? I. Now let's look at activity D. You're going to read parts of a real word. Most of these word parts are not real words by themselves. Read the first line. Read the first word part to yourself. Put your thumb up when you can say that. Or in this case, let me read it for you. What part? Dit. Next word part. What part? Vast. Stinct. Thinked. A. Notice it has an asterisk, so it's gonna say its name. A. Fray. Stant. Stant. Blizz. Bl is blizz. Tie. Asterisk, it says I. Tie. Hab. Cyst. Fant. Aunt. Aunt. My. Packed. Val. Lawn. Vict. Perfect. Now let's scroll down to activity E. Pay attention because this is what you're going to be doing on Kami. Activity E. Each word part has one vowel sound. What does each word part have? One vowel sound. Finding the vowels in a word helps us read the words. Remember, finding vowels in a word helps us read the word. Watch me find the vowels in this word. AU make one vowel sound, ah. I makes one vowel sound, I. There's two word parts. Ah, did. Look, I'll show you right now what you have to do. Underline the AU, underline the vowel I. How many vowels? 2. How many word parts? 2. Now let's look at the second word. Underline the letter A, underline the letter I. How many word parts? 2. What word? What word part? Can. What word part? Did. Can, did. And if I didn't read this one, let me read it for you. Ah, did. Ah, did. That's for activity E. Let's continue with the next word. One vowel combination, it's AU, so we underline that vowel combination. One vowel combination means one word part. Alt. What word? Fault. Let's do line 2. One vowel combination, underline it. I notice there's an E here, but this one just happens to be a silent E. Cuz, us. But in this case, it would be cause, cause. Again, it's not cause, it's cause. Cause. Next one, underline the A, underline the vowel combination AI. Captain, but we don't say captain, we say captain. Next one is waistband. What word? Waist and band. Perfect. You continue with the rest of activity E, and I'm going to be pulling kids to test with them so they could read these read these words, these multi-syllable words. The next thing before we wrap up with this activity, we're going to do activity F. So make sure you go on Kami, you underline your vowels, and then let me do a quick vowel activity F. You listen. Sometimes when we read a long word, the word doesn't sound right. We have to change the pronunciation of the word so it makes sense in the sentence. Let's see if you can change these words to make sense. Again, I'm doing activity F right now. Nothing for you to write, nothing for you to do. You just have to listen. I read the word vitamins. Change the word to make sense in the sentence. Many people take vitamins to improve their health. Many people take vitamins to improve their health. What should the word be? Vitamins, you're right. Listen carefully. Holiday. In some countries, New Year's Day is special. Holiday. But we don't say holiday, right? We don't say holiday. It's holiday. Next one, curtain. To keep the sun out of your eyes, close the curtain. But we don't say curtain. We say curtain. Next one, tornado. The tornado destroyed more than 100 houses. But what should we say? Tornado. Astronaut. The astronaut went into outer space. But we don't say astronaut. We say astronaut. That's it. Finish activity E. I will be polling students to read these words with me and also practice reading word parts and the vowel combinations. Activity E is the only thing you have to do on Kami. Make sure to underline the vowels and the vowel combinations. Thank you, everybody.